You're watching Markets for your daily videocast that covers market news and share trading signals from expert. I'm Yu Chang. First, the US dollar. The dollar traded mixed on Tuesday, rising versus the yen after an easing in Syria tensions, whilst falling against the pound, which rose on positive data. Against the euro, it remained relatively unchanged. The greenback ended the day 1.3267 to the euro and 100.37 to the yen. Today's data includes MBA mortgage applications and wholesale inventories in July. Next to the euro. The euro traded mixed on Tuesday, rising versus the weaker yen after Syria crisis fears diminished and falling to British pound after better than expected housing data. It rose slightly against the dollar as the Centix prints from Friday continued to spur buying. The single currency ended the day 1.3267 to the dollar and 133.16 to the yen. Today's data includes German CPI in August, which is expected to remain unchanged at 1.6% year-on-year. British pound. The pound rose on Tuesday after data from the Royal Institute of Surveyors show a larger than expected rise in house prices, continuing the recent run of the positive data for the UK economy. Sterling ended the day 1.5732 to the dollar and 0.8432 to the euro. Today's data includes the unemployment rate, which is expected to remain unchanged at 7.8% in July and will be closely followed along with other data because its impact on monetary policy. Japanese yen. The yen fell on Tuesday after fears that US might launch airstrikes against Syria eased following the proposal of peace deal by Russia, which had the effect of curtailing safety demand. There was a further fall in risk aversion as a result of Friday's disappointing payrolls data, which lessened the possibility of SEP taper. The yen ended the day 100.37 to the dollar and 157.89 to the pound. Today's data includes machine orders, which are expected to show a rise of 7.7% year-on-year and 2.4% month-on-month in July. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts of the field. If your pair is Euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.3215 with 1.32.9 and 1.3315 as next targets. The downside penetration of 1.3215, which will open the way to 1.31.9 and 1.3155. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.568 with 1.5745 and 1.577 inside. The downside penetration of 1.568, which will open the way to 1.564 and 1.56. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open long position above 100.1 with targets at 100.8 and 101.25. The downside breakout of 100.1, which will call for 99.75 and 99.3. Good luck and happy trading. Tune tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Yu Chong and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a good day.